was making sure I hit record. Oh, you're still eating some of this, though.
Hey, Josh, I told you that top half was yours. And some of this marinara is yours too, buddy. The body.
Okay, you want me to say listen, or you want to say it?
You can go right ahead, my sir.
Okay. Thank you just for a stay. Thank you for what do. Just a good safe tonight. This smart day. Help us all get along. And forgive us all for sins. Just in prayer, amen. That was fast. Why are you snorting?
I'm putting this one out.
So you want to tell them what we have?
We have the Little Caesars pepperoni stuffed crust, and we have the cheesy bread. And the funny thing was, when I was in there, they said ICB.
That's ICB.
Oh,
Alright, this will be a good thumbnail right here, too. Okay, whatever.
hey, I thought ICB was like icing or something.
ICB. I'm trying to think what that stands for.
International Creamy External. I don't know. You ready, Josh?
Yeah, you go. Are we eating off of both or one?
What?
Pete?
I got that one for you.
I know, but what I'm saying is like, I'm not gonna eat all this.
There you are.
So,
good?
Yeah, it's good. So this is the first thing I've ate all day besides the banana.
The banana.
Cause I had that for breakfast on the way.
This is the first time I ever had this.
Is it good?
Yeah, yeah. I'm used to having like the regular crust.
So you can make like crunching sounds, smacking sounds, burping sounds. You can even give them a taste if you want to give them a taste.
Oh, it's tasting my I wonder how many people go,
Oh, we can ask them.
How many people would eat a slice of my pizza if I give it to you?
All
Leave a
of them.
comment below. What's your dog sniffing that test butt?
They're just checking to make sure it's okay. I don't know.
I ain't never seen that happen before.
Your dogs don't do that?
They don't go near the cats.
Why?
Because they bark at them.
So? So how are y'all doing besides watching him choke?
It doesn't happen often, that's the problem.
You can throw your drink in there if you wanted to. Smell like pizza. I'm just kidding. Okay.
It'll be more later. God dang.
Do I need to pat you on the back? So what?
I'm still stoked about that though.
Well, what?
That story. About the lion and the lamb.
Oh. Talk about it.
Well, I was in class today.
Can you get a napkin?
Not for you, Josh.
Whatever.
Ah. Josh Pies Vlogs.
You want one?
www.com. No, I'm good.
We got what?
Hmm?
We got what?
Not on.
You said Josh Press Vlogs and you said something.
.com.
Oh, it's no longer activated.
Really?
No, it is. I just don't post on it.
Oh.
Post on this.
Yeah, eating with Josh.
Because I have people on here who actually follow me, who actually care.
Okay.
So talk about the lion and the lamb.
So,
What is
it's
a lion and lamb? Or tiger?
It's a tiger and a lamb. My bad.
Okay.
And it's like a poem.
Mm-hmm.
And it's sitting here telling like, why is the lamb? How is the lamb so innocent and how it just eats and like gets shaved for like clothes and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
And how the tiger was like so mean. It has like mean and like vicious and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And like they had questions for it. And like, why is the tiger so like vicious and why did God create like two different creatures?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, well, I'm sitting here thinking, and I was listening to music while I was doing it. I'm like, who's getting abused here? Because the tiger, you walk up on a tiger, he's going to protect himself and he's got to eat. And the only way he's going to eat, he's going to kill. I mean, unless he's a vegetarian, I doubt that. But you gotta also think you got hunters out there who are actually gonna go and find the tiger and find his family, and he's gonna protect his family because you know that's what tigers are gonna do. And he's sitting here talking about how the lamb was so innocent. So why do you think is going to be abuse here? Because you're sitting here fattening up a sheep or a lamb. I don't know if I want to say sheep. But you're going to sit here fatten up a lamb and make him eat and drink. And all you're going to do is just shave him for his fur. But you're going to go out here and kill a whole tiger and like mount him onto your wall. So who's getting abused?
Well, they're both getting killed.
The lamb's not getting killed. He's getting shaved.
But they kill him for meat.
Well, that's true. Well, they're just sitting here trying to say that the tiger is so mean and like, yeah, I know he's a king.
Well, he's created to kill.
Yeah, but that's how he eats.
Yeah. That's how we eat, so then we're in the same place as the tiger.
Yeah.
So then we're mean.
But it's not like I'm killing you and eating you, though. But we're killing animals.
But it's still killing to eat. So it's the same thing. It's just we don't use our bodies, we use weapons. They use bodies.
That's what I was wondering. I didn't answer no questions on it. Maybe not.
Dang, you should have called me. I go in way depth. They were like, okay, you can leave. Quit answering.
I was about to. She's about ready to go home and feed her, take care of her kid. I was like,
No, see, I didn't do this today, but one of my friends was saying that she had a friend that had a boa or python, whatever snake you can have in your house as a pet, whatever that is, boa, python, whatever. And after a while, if the snake stops eating, it's basically preparing itself to eat you alive.
yeah, that's why I don't like snakes.
And I was like, I've never heard of that. They're like, you've never heard of a pet snake not eating for a while? And I was like, no, because I don't have pet snakes. And they're like, well, they're preparing to eat you.
Yeah,
alive.
They're gonna be hungry and they're gonna like consume you.
Yeah, and I was like, well, I'm never having a pet snake. Never.
My buddy Josh, he gets all these snakes all the way around the world.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
I thought you said you didn't like snakes. No,
I don't.
I don't either. I hate them.
Y'all like snakes? No. Say no. Anyway.
Anyway, he's in my welding class. He gets all kinds of snakes all the way around the world, and he feeds them. And he's a big dude. So like, he was talking about he got I think it was a boa constrictor. And I was like, dude, that thing's gonna eat you whole. He's like, oh no, it's not. So if Josh don't show up to school one day, I'm gonna know what happened to him. I was like,
I wonder if it's the same Josh I know. That he works at the Haunted Pyramids.
This is Josh Bell. He's a short dude with a beard. He's really cocky. How was school?
Good, but you just asked me that.
How was school?
Good. It's not really school. I don't consider it school because we're working with clients.
How was work?
It's not really work because I love what I'm doing. So it's like, I don't know.
How was the hobby?
Good. How was your half a day at school?
Mm-hmm. Oh, did you see that thing I sent you? Snapchat.
No. Oh yeah.
You know what it is?
Well, if I look at it again, yeah.
I ain't got a picture of this, bro.
Eat some of that.
Huh?
Eat some of that.
Josh, I told you that was yours.
If you do not eat this, I'm gonna shove it down your mouth. Just wait, mine's coming.
Now, if I was eating drinking some Dr. Pepper, woo, money.
This is basically the same thing.
Well,
Yeah?
yeah.
It's a dark drink.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really? Is that what are you saying? Speak now, forever hold your peace. Show your face. Remember last time I zoomed in on it.
Oh, no.
Don't try on me.
Don't try me.
It's supposed to be a button.
You ever heard of Five Nights at Freddy's?
Yeah. What about Five Nights at Jason's?
That is amazing.
Mm. Jason feels left out.
It took me a minute. Is your dog squinting or is he going to sleep?
I don't know. She can enjoy the sun outside while we film this because it's not outside.
That's your half.
No, it ain't. That's not even a half.
Well, that's your 3/4 of a piece. Of a whole.
I'm just waiting for this burger to come. I feel it. It's like baking in my oven. Oh, hang on, wait. It's not coming yet.
Let me push on your stomach to make it go.
I might fart. Try it.
No, I'm good.
That was weak, but try to make it loud. This looks like a lot of food.
It's not. It's just 2 pieces.
It is a lot for me. What?
Come here, Alfred.
You're at my house. No, I'm not yours.
Well, you know.
Rule number 1. Always listen to Josh.
I'm always right.
Yeah, okay.
Let's see rule number 2. See rule number 1 for options.
Okay. So what time do you got out of school?
1.
You might as well just stay another hour and a half.
1.
You need the educations.
Got on my educations. You know what Little Caesars do?
What?
They're kind of like pizza. They're all greasy on the bottom. There's this girl in my first period.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Anyway, we was playing. It's a food class, right?
Oh, you learn how to cook?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't cook me nothing?
Yeah, that's me too. Hey, and we gotta play like drag and drops and stuff.
What the heck is that?
Yeah, guess the fruit with the stuff and whatever. And like she was the only one actually doing it because I really don't care. I'm making a straight A in that class, so.
Let it out. Let Satan out.
But anyway, she's the only one over there. Like if you do get the high score, you get a piece of candy or something.
A piece of candy? That's all you get?
Yeah, I was like, that's stupid. And then I was sitting there playing Boombot. That's where you get like little bombs and you shoot the robot across the field. And she's over here like, no, no, no. It's like, shut up! Nobody cares! Yeah, heart attack.
You were gonna have a heart attack or she's gonna have a heart attack?
She was having a heart attack.
Oh.
She was determined we're gonna do that to get that game.
So,
all you can do is hit quit, get all the answers. And
So how do you cook if you're playing games?
Well, you got labs, and that's when you cook. I think it's like once every week or something.
Is Cherish in there with you?
No, I don't even see Cherish.
Because I know in that class she learned, well, it was her own idea, but she made grilled cheese donuts. And you get glazed donuts from like wherever. And you slice them in half and put cheese in them and you put them on the pan with butter. And she was like bragging about it, how good it was. And I was like, that is not good at all. She made me one. Okay, it actually really is good.
Oh, I made some killer pancakes.
How big were they? You didn't take a picture? Why not?
I'll take a picture of my omelet though.
What?
I'll take a picture of my omelet though.
Why didn't you say it? Look at this, it's like Hollywood.
You know, I seen how they do stuffed crust now, and I ain't really too happy about it.
Do y'all not offer it?
Yeah, I know. I wish we did.
Make them. You do it.
I mean, I can make it.
Do double stuffed crust. That's never been done.
The prophecy has been fulfilled.
Just quit. We'll do it outside the kitchen.
Yeah. Hey, there's our thumbnail for the last video. Omelette.
For glass video, what's in it?
Bacon and cheese.
Oh.
Everybody look at my omelet. It's a beautiful omelet. It's an ugly omelet.
That's good. I just don't like omelets.
I know this is your house, but get out.
You get out.
Okay.
There's the door.
Let your dog back in.
Yeah. Have you seen where people put ham in their mouth and they stuck it in their mouth?
Oh. You got one of your show.
That's dangerous. Why would you do that?
I heard it's funny. This is the first time having this at Little Caesars.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Great conversation.
I
I don't know what you said.
don't know. This is the first time I ever had Little Caesar stuffed crust.
I didn't know they had it.
I didn't know. I seen all that advertisement. But you now have stuffed crust. I was like, good, because your pretzel crust sucked.
For real?
I don't know, I ain't never tried it. I don't really like pretzels that much. You know what the bad part is?
What?
I had drinks all the way
Go
there.
get it.
Dude, I'm all the way over here.
Go get it, because I'll let you keep eating because I'm full.
Josh!
Uh-huh.
I told you you're gonna eat that pizza, bro.
I can't eat it all.
I will shove it down your face. Don't you mock me while I'm gone.
Huh?
So don't you make fun of me while I'm gone.
I'm not.
I do, you boy.
So, how are y'all doing? Let us know.
Matt wrote a poem.
Yeah, a long time ago.
So he is smart. Or did his teacher write this for it? It says, the coming of fall. I know that fall is coming when trees, space, lose their space, leave. The leaves falling like rain cover the ground like a blanket of different colors. When the trees lose their leaves, they are lonely statues standing tall and bare. That went in there, but
Sit
when
down,
I run
hurry
through
up.
the yard, the leaves crunch like popcorn underneath my feet. Now I know when fall is coming. Space, trees, space, lose their space, leaves. Space.
Whatever.
Matthew Pice. Matthew Pice. Yes. Do you know they have Pizza Portal now?
Yeah.
Does that mean you like shove the pizza through the portal and it comes to you?
That means you order online and it's ready when you get there. You just open it up.
It's stupid. I thought we were talking about actual pizza portals, like it's a portal. And just
Why would you give a pizza place pizza?
Why would no? They give you the pizza.
Oh.
Like they shoot the portal, and it pops up in your wall or something.
That would be cool.
You ever watch Rick and Morty?
No.
Oh. Never mind.
I watch Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. They put that.
So what did you do today? Besides playing games and cooking class? You're supposed to be cooking.
I surprised you today.
Yeah, okay, let me tell you. This kid comes. He messages me. I didn't check it because I was busy. And then I walk outside and he's standing at my car and I thought it was like some random person because it was like how far away?
About good 50 feet.
Yeah, like 50 feet away. So I hollered at him and it was this kid. He was like, you gotta film my mukbang. Let's film my mukbang. I'm like, well, give me an hour. Basically it was an hour.
He was like, hey. I was like, Hey, what are you doing?
I was like, who's that beside my car, or in front of my car? And I was like, that cannot be. See, I thought it was you. And I was like,
The bad part was I had a hard time getting there. I was like, how do I get there? And I was like, I know it's in something Gaston. I was like, I don't know if it's in Gastonia though. And I was like, Gracie told me, she's like, oh, it's from where we used to take somebody somewhere. I was like, huh? I was like, oh, okay. So I get there. I didn't know where I was going. I seen all these back roads, and I was like, well, if I miss a spot, oh well. And I went down one back road, and I was like, oh, there it is.
you didn't Google it?
Oh, this is something wrong.
Because I know, well, yeah, I was like, is that Sean? And I was like, it looks like Sean, but I don't know. Because why would Sean be here? And then I was like, oh, hey.
See, my original plan was going to walk in there and scare the crap out of you. Then I realized, it's like, well, I don't know. It's like 4 people.
But you would have walked in, but you wouldn't have been able to find me.
I would have just like stood at the door.
Because you walk in, there's the reception office, our lunchroom, bathrooms, double doors, then a hallway, then the salon.
I'd probably reach over, press the button, and walk through the door.
That's, yeah, that button's for handicapped people, but everybody hits it for the doors to open up for us anyway.
Yeah, my original plan was to walk in there and scare you.
You wouldn't have scared me because you wouldn't have been able to find me.
No, that's true. So what I did was I set up my car, and I seen them there's like 4 girls out there looking at me. I was like, I'm not here. Well, I'm sitting here blaring music. And I look over and said, well, I got a little time to kill. I was going to clean my truck. I cleaned my truck, and I found a few dollars in there. I was like, holy crap. It's like $8. I just felt so happy.
Oh, I dropped that the other day. I'm just kidding.
In my truck?
Yeah, don't you remember when we went to go film your video?
Oh, yeah.
But it's not mine. But anyway, when did you get out of your truck and stand in front of mine?
When you went out the door?
But you didn't know that was me.
Yeah. I didn't know it was you at first until you turned around.
Oh.
Because like when you first come out, your hair was like right here.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, this gotta be Josh. I said, he's tall, he's got long black hair. He must have died because he was watching it when he Snapchatted me. I was like,
No, it was processing.
well, he was processed. Anyway, I was like, that's gotta be Josh. And then he turned around. I was like, oh, that's Josh. I'm like, scared. I was gonna text you, but I'm breaking in your car.
I got that.
You did? And I was saying like, he was like, hey! I was like, hey!
And then I would have had the evidence, take it right to the security and be like, here's proof.
Who's this guy?
No, I was like, is that Sean? Because like the way you stand, like no one else stands like that. And I was like, is that Sean? And I was like, hang on a second, to Lacey, which is the girl I was like with. And I hollered at you, she's like, who's that? Why is this in your car? And I was like, oh, I know who that is, it's a friend. And then I was like, that can't be him. Why would he be here? Like, yeah, be able
The
to.
wind just surprised you.
Are you done? Or are you still eating?
I'm debating. Oh, I ate the honey hog the other day, yesterday.
What'd you eat?
I had the Duke burger.
What the heck is that?
Oh, it's a burger.
Uh-huh.
Alright, you know, you get your cheese and your meat on it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you want the full details? Okay. So you got.
I mean, I just want to know, like, what is it? Like, is it, like... Of course it's a burger, but, like, what's on it?
It's like a different type of bun. It's like a Frenchy on name, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, it's like, that's the bun. And then it came with onion rings on it, and then the burger, pepper jack cheese, some type of sauce. The sauce was good.
Did you eat it all?
I ate the whole burger, yeah. Whew. And you know, like, fries and stuff is like $2 extra.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, I got fries, and the fries wasn't that good. I didn't really like it.
See, I know it's either Wednesday or Thursday every week. They keep switching it. But they have wings, 50-cent wings. And they have,
What's Wednesday?
They have 8, well, 2 weeks ago it was Wednesday, last week it was Thursday.
I looked at it yesterday, it was Wednesday, I think it was.
But it's 50-cent wings, and there's like 8 different flavors.
That's what I was thinking about doing.
But you know that Chinese buffet? I don't know if you pay attention. The Chinese buffet that's beside Little Caesars where we went.
Jeans.
Yeah, that's where I get my fried chicken for these videos.
Fried chicken.
And you can get a whole box. I get 12. I think around 11 or 12 wings plus them 4 crab lagoons for like $6.
Crab lagoons.
Yeah, it's like them. I don't know how to describe them until you see them. You know what? You probably know what I'm talking about if you see them. It's like them. You know them. I don't know if y'all. I don't know if you know what they are, but you know, in like elementary school, we used to make them paper things that like fold and open like this, like triangle, and they open.
Oh, is that thing like the fortune tellers or whatever?
No, that's a fortune cookie.
No, you said the thing.
Oh yeah.
That's a fortune.
So they look like that, but inside they have crab and cream cheese in the middle.
Mm.
So I get 4 of those and like 11 to 12 wings for $6.
I wonder how many pepperonis is on these 3 slices.
I don't know.
There it was. Okay, there you go.
You better hurry up and eat them.
Hell. Open your mouth, Josh.
No, I'm full. I will puke if I eat any more. Like, for real. How many was it?
I don't know. I was just stacking them.
Give them some ASMR.
What's that?
Whispering and making crunchy noises. Okay, what was that?
That wasn't me, that's probably.
The ghost. Ghost was like, okay, I'll do it.
The setting sound. I see the colors. Oh, Josh, I hate to say it, man. I'm full.
Alright, well then what in the video? Alright, remember everybody, always smile, always stay positive, and whatever you're going through, you will get through it, and never give up. That's what I'm gonna say. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see y'all guys in the next mukbang. Alright, bye everyone.
Peace!